of my brother got too excited to record the landing. I can tell you, it didn't go too well. I could have fixed it in a day and flown it the next. But I set out to build a better body with better structural integrity and not with toothpicks this time. Don't ask me why I did that.
So flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.
Building a drone isn't the toughest thing to do. You get the angle of the drone from a gyroscope and accelerometer, do some math behind it, and then figure out how much faster each motor should turn. And voila, you have a flying drone. But in practice, many things can be done. The connections can get messed up. The propellers may break mid-flight. The code can get corrupted. And ton of other things can go wrong. But after many hours of soldering and fixing the drone, it finally took a good flight.
Oh.
I was confident the drone would work and slapped on an iPhone to it to get a good aerial shot. The drone went high, really high, but then what I think happened there is a wire which connected the battery and the motor got disconnected and the motors didn't have any power to run off. Thankfully the motor and the battery were still intact and well working, but the iPhone was dead. The display was crushed and ripped apart from the body. I tried to extract the video from the iPhone for hours, but I was unsuccessful. And if I am ever successful in extracting the video, I will post it on my Instagram. Anyway, I fixed the drone and got working on the kinect controlling system. What makes kinect different from other cameras is that apart from returning the video, it also says how far each point is from the kinect. So I programmed the kinect in such a way that it calculates the average of points between 1 and 1.5 meters from the kinect. I did that and then connected two servos to the throttle and roll of the controller.
Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant.
It was time to fly. My 2 months of work all into this moment. Before actually flying with kinect, I just wanted to be sure, so I took the drone for a test flight. There was considerable amount of wind, which should have been my first blow to just head back home and come some other time. But I was short on time, so I just flew the drone anyway. It flew good, but my greediness kicked in and I flew it higher. The wind took it offshore. I was trying to figure out the controls and to see which direction the drone was moving because I lost orientation of the drone. But the drone fell into a grove of trees and I couldn't find it. But I had a video to make and I didn't want my kinect word to go waste. So I took my old drone put all the contraption into its controller and ran it. I'd like to point out here that the drone which I use with my Kinect has a very poor battery life and can only be flown for about 10 seconds before it has to be recharged again. So I couldn't control the roll axis of the drone very well and could only control the takeoff and landing of the drone.
Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch.
The Fail Army Medal of Honor.
Who am I? She tastes flavors.
So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this project. I gave a talk in a community called D&D Smart Labs here on Discord and Instagram, where I was making the second drone. And I also have a community called Dumbot, which has an AI bot called Dumbot. Pretty obvious. I made it with my friend, and I'd appreciate if you join with me. On that note, peace.